Hey guys, welcome back to CrightonsTricks. Today I'm going to be showing you a Zippo trick, and the Zippo trick today is drop spark. And don't worry, you don't have to drop your Zippo. What the name means is when you drop it, you're going to spark it. So I'm going to do this left and right-handed for anybody that can't do it left or right-handed. So this is what it should look like. That was a really slower version of the trick. Here, I'll do it faster. There. Okay, so this is what should happen. If you do it right, you're going to have the hinges pointing down on the casing, and you're going to flick your wrist. And it's going to do that. And then when it's going down, you want to maneuver your hand so it gets into it like that. Then you want to take your ring finger and spark the wheel. I'll do it again. Well, now I'm going to do it with the left hand. So I'm going to put my arm around the camera if you guys can see that, because I can't do it very well. Okay, so with this hand you can just completely reverse the process. Just pretty much flip the Zippo around, and then still just flick your wrist, maneuver your hand, and spark with your ring finger. So, I'll do it one more time, and then I'll do a slow motion if anyone still hasn't had to learn it yet. So this is going to be a slow motion. Okay guys, well come back tomorrow. I'm gonna have another video for you. Well, peace.